What's up, everyone? Are you tired of stagnant bird baths that attract mosquitoes instead of beautiful birds? Is your current fountain pump a nightmare to set up, constantly tipping over, or just not giving you the spray height you want? Do you wish you could easily add a peaceful, aesthetic water feature to your garden without any wires or complicated installation? Then get ready to transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis. Because today, we're diving into the SEIRMEP solar fountain pump with spray height adjustment. This isn't just a pump, it's an instant garden upgrade that attracts wildlife and looks amazing. You absolutely need to click that link in the description and check it out on Amazon. I've been using this SEIRMEP solar fountain pump in my bird bath for the past few weeks, and it's brought so much life to my garden. Before, my bird bath was just a simple basin, and I was constantly worried about mosquitoes breeding. Plus, I tried a cheap solar fountain once, but it kept floating to the side and spraying water out, emptying the bath way too fast. This SEIRMEP model has completely changed that experience. First off, the full coverage glass solar panel is a game changer. Unlike many plastic panels, this glass design offers higher and more stable solar energy conversion. This means it works more efficiently, even on slightly overcast days, and it feels much more durable, promising a longer lifespan. I've noticed a consistent, strong spray whenever the sun is out, which is exactly what you want from a solar-powered device. Secondly, the adjustable spray heights and easy-to-install nozzles give you so much control and customization. It comes with an adjustable valve that lets you set 3 different spray heights, from 4 to 23 inches. This is perfect for my 22-inch bird bath, as I can adjust it to avoid water spilling out, a huge improvement over my previous fountain. Plus, it includes 6 flower-shaped nozzles, so you can easily switch up the look and add more fun and design to your garden. And third, the all-in-one fixed rods and easy installation make setup incredibly simple. You don't have to worry about complicated setups. Just adjust the angle of the 4 fixing rods to fit your bird bath size, and it holds the pump securely in the middle. No more floating to the edge and draining your water. It's truly a plug-and-go convenience, and I recommend using it with a bird bath that's at least 21 inches in diameter for the best experience. The SEIRMEP solar fountain pump is best for anyone looking to add a charming and functional water feature to their bird bath, small pond, garden, or pool. It's ideal for bird enthusiasts who want to attract feathered friends, garden decorators who want to enhance their outdoor aesthetics, and eco-conscious individuals looking for a sustainable, no-electricity solution. Just remember to use it in direct sunlight for optimal performance, and keep the water clean to prolong its life. You can get this SEIRMEP solar fountain pump on Amazon for just $19.98 right now, which is a fantastic 23% off its list price. It's even a #1 new release in water garden and pond pumps and has a strong 4.1 out of 5-star rating from over 400 reviews. Plus, over 3,000 units were bought in the past month. Don't forget to apply the extra 20% coupon available on the listing for even more savings, and you also get free returns. For its higher efficiency glass panel, customizable spray heights, and super easy, stable installation, the SEIRMEP solar fountain pump offers incredible value for bringing life and tranquility to your outdoor spaces. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more cool Amazon finds, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon.